Hello and welcome to Ambition Success. My name is SK and you are watching Chapter Ways to Online. Friends, this is second part of the video series on digital greetings designing. Please refer to description section to watch previous and next video to this video. Now we have created our greetings. Now we have to publish this to web so that we can avail a URL and we can share that with our greetings so that our recipients can visit online and see our greetings. So let's see how we can do that. So when you have finished creating your greetings, you have to go to File and then go to Publish to Web. When you will go to Publish to Web, select this too and click in this Published button. As I have already published this, this is not activated. When you have published this, copy this URL and that is the URL which you can use to visit your greetings online. Like I can show you right now. You might have noticed that this URL is pretty long and it's very hard to remember also, and I doubt if you send this to anybody will dare to click here because of security reason. So let's see how we can shorten this URL. To do that, go to Google URL shortener. You can find this by typing what it is shown over here and going there, just paste the URL and click on this shortener and then the URL will be shortened. You have to copy this and then you will find a short version of your URL like here. See, the URL is very short now. It's showing the same website but with a much shortened form. So next, just you have to copy that and you have to incorporate it along with your message and send to your recipient.